जी हाँ, स्वागत है आपका एनाटॉमी ऑफ फ्लोरिंग प्लांट के इस डिस्कशन सीरीज में। इससे पहले लाइन बाय लाइन हम एनसीईआरटी को क्वेश्चन बनाकर डिस्कस करें, उससे पहले जल्दी जल्दी रिवाइज कर लीजिए फटाक से 6.1 यानी कि टिश्यू। तो चलिए सर चालू कर लेते हैं। You can very easily see the structural similarities and variation in the external morphology of the larger living organisms, both plants and animals. Similarly, we were to study the internal structure. Only one also find several similarities as well as differences. This chapter introduces you to the internal structure and functional organization of higher plants. A study of internal structure of plants is called dash dash. The next question. Plant have cell as dash dash unit. Cells are organized into tissues and in turn the tissues are organized into organs. The next. Different dash dash in a plant show differences in their internal structure. The next, within dash dash, the monocot and dicot are also seen to be anatomically different. The next, dash dash structures also show adaptations to diverse environments. The next 6.1 the tissues. जल्दी से रिवाइज कर लीजिए इसको। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। The first question, a tissue is a group of cells having a dash dash and usually dash dash function. The next, a plant is made up of different kinds of dash dash. The next, tissue are classified into two main groups. Which are that groups? Tissues are classified into two main groups, namely meristematic and permanent tissue, based on whether cell being formed are capable of dash dash or not. The next subtopic 6.1.1 meristematic tissues. जल्दी से रिवाइज कीजिए इसको। Growth in plants is largely restricted to a specialized region of active cell division called dash dash. What is the meaning of meristose? Plants have different kind of dash dash. The next, the meristems which occur at the tips of dash dash and produce dash dash are called apical meristems. The next, mind capture 6.1 figure. The next, सेंट्रल सिलेंडर को आंख बंद करके याद कीजिए। कॉर्टेक्स को रिमेंबर कीजिए। कॉर्टेक्स को रिमेंबर कीजिए। द नेक्स्ट, प्रोटोडर्म को रिमेंबर कीजिए। द नेक्स्ट, इनिशियल्स ऑफ सेंट्रल सिलेंडर एंड कॉर्टेक्स को रिमेंबर कीजिए। द नेक्स्ट, इनिशियल्स ऑफ सेंट्रल सिलेंडर एंड कॉर्टेक्स को रिमेंबर कीजिए। इनिशियल्स ऑफ रूट कैप को रिमेंबर कीजिए। द नेक्स्ट, रूट कैप को रिमेंबर कीजिए। The next, रूट एपिकल मेरिस्टेम्स को रिमेंबर कीजिए। The next, लीफ पिरिमोडियम को रिमेंबर कीजिए। The next, शूट एपिकल मेरिस्टेमेटिक जोन को रिमेंबर कीजिए। The next, एक्सिलरी बॉड को रिमेंबर कीजिए। The next, डिफरेंशिएटिंग वेस्कुलर टिश्यू को रिमेंबर कीजिए। The next, dash dash meristem occupies the tip of a root while the shoot apical meristems occupies the distant most region of the stem axis. The next, during the formation of dash dash and elongation of a stem, some cells, that is dash dash, from shoot apical meristems constitute the dash dash bud. The next, such buds are present in the axils of leaves and are capable of forming a branch or a flower. The next, such buds are present in the axis. Such buds are present in the axil of leaves and are capable of forming a branch or a flower. The next, the meristem, which occur between mature tissue, is known as dash dash meristem. The next, they occur in dash dash and regenerate part removed by the grazing herbivores. The next, both dash dash meristems and dash dash meristems are dash dash meristems because they appear early in life of a plant and contribute to the formation of the primary plant body. The next, secondary या lateral meristems किसको बोलते हैं? The next, the meristem that occur in the dash dash region of root and shoot of many plants, particularly those that produce woody axis and appear later than primary meristems, is called the dash dash meristem. The next, they are dash dash meristems. The next, dash dash cambium, interfascicular cambium and cork cambium are example of dash dash meristems. The next, these are responsible for producing the dash dash tissues. The next, following divisions of cell in both primary and as well as secondary meristems, the newly formed cells became dash dash and dash dash specialized and lose the ability to divide. The next, such cells are termed dash dash or dash dash cells and constitute the dash dash tissues. The next, during the formation of dash dash body, a specific region of the apical meristem produce dermal tissue, ground tissue, and vascular tissue. The next subtopic 6.1.2 permanent tissues. The cells of dash dash tissues do not generally divide further. The next, permanent tissue having all cells similar in dash dash and dash dash are called dash dash tissues. The next, permanent tissues having many different type of dash dash are called complex tissues. The next subtopic 6.1.2.1 simple tissues. A simple tissue is made of only dash dash type of cells. The next, the various simple tissues in plant are dash dash, comma dash dash, and comma dash dash. The next,